Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Beanbox app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Beanbox is a premium coffee subscription and gifting app designed for coffee lovers who want to explore freshly roasted beans from top artisan roasters. The app lets you browse curated coffee selections, customize your flavor preferences, and receive freshly roasted coffee delivered right to your door. Available on both iOS and Android, Beanbox aims to make discovering and enjoying high-quality coffee simple and convenient. The app's main feature is its personalized coffee experience. You can choose from light, medium, or dark roasts, or opt for a variety box to explore new flavors each month. Users can also set up recurring subscriptions, send digital coffee gifts, and manage their delivery schedule with ease. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the freshness of the beans, variety of flavors, and smooth delivery process. The app's intuitive design and detailed tasting notes help users discover new favorites, making it perfect for both casual drinkers and coffee connoisseurs. However, there are some drawbacks. The subscription pricing may feel expensive for some users, and a few have reported occasional shipping delays or limited customization options. Additionally, availability of certain blends may vary by region. In summary, the Beanbox app may be worth using if you enjoy premium, freshly roasted coffee and want a curated, at-home tasting experience. However, if you prefer buying local coffee or want full control over your selections, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.